Hi guys, Richard Herford from stockmarkettodayonline.com. I just wanted to go through Japanese candlestick charts. Now if you've got a charting package, it's quite easy to go into your settings and just change them to candlestick mode. Why I use candlestick charts is it just gives you some instant visual information. For instance, let's just look at these particular candles here. The main body of the candle basically represents the difference between opening and closing prices. Now when the candle body is red, it tells us that the opening price, represented by this horizontal, was here, and it actually fell to this closing price at this horizontal here. Obviously, conversely, when it's a green body of the candlestick, this was the opening price here at this horizontal, and the closing price was higher. Now when we look at the actual wicks on the top and on the bottom, this just shows us where the prices fluctuated during the day to this high, and on the opposite end of the body, this wick shows us where the prices fell to this low before ending up closing at this horizontal. I use the candlestick charts because we can actually draw lines to join their bodies up. For instance, here I would try and establish a trend by joining the bodies of the candles here, and also I would get the other side of the channel by joining up the troughs of the candles here. I also use them for establishing volatility. For instance, if I called up a chart and there was great big wicks poking up to the top and to the bottom, that would tell me that there's huge volatility in that share price or forex pairing, and it would probably tell me to stay away because this particular instrument is going through a volatile patch, and if I'm going to set a stop loss, I'm trying to enter the market as close as I can to the current price. I don't really want to be sitting with a huge stop loss because if the share price or forex pairing is volatile, then I'm just going to get stopped out. I'm just going to get wobbled out by the daily movement. So what I'll do is I'll hover over the candlestick and it will give me a high and a low, and I'll work out the difference. For instance, if that's 200 pips, and that'll give me some information as to where I've set my stop loss. I usually try and survive, a day to 2 days trading. So that's why I would use that particular aspect of the candlestick charts. They can also be used for showing up particular patterns. There are books on Japanese candlestick charts which can display patterns and give you some technical analysis entry signals. For those guys that want to go on and do that, just get yourself a book on Japanese candlestick charts. Okay, Richard Herford signing out, stockmarkettodayonline.com.